An alloy of lead silver weighing 1.05 grams was dissolved in concentrated nitric acid and the volume of solution is made up to 350 ml. A silver electrode is dipped in it and coupled with SHE. The EMF of the cell is found to be 0.503 volts at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the percentage yield of lead in the alloy. Percentage yield of the lead in the alloy. E0 of the silver electrode is 0.8 volts. E0 value of the silver electrode is 0.8 volts. So first here hydrogen electrode and silver electrode are coupled. Hydrogen electrode reduction potential value is 0. So hydrogen electrode will act as anode because its reduction potential value is less, and silver electrode will act as cathode. So the E0 cell value is E0 cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Cathode is silver, anode is a hydrogen electrode. Silver reduction potential value 0.8, it is 0. So E0 cell value is 0.8 volts. Now the anode reaction, if you observe here, hydrogen will undergo oxidation, half H2 gives rise to its gas, pressure is 1 bar, gives rise to H plus aqueous whose concentration is 1 molar because it is SHE plus 1 electron. And the cathode reaction is silver will undergo reduction, silver aqueous gives rise to Ag solid. 1 will get cancelled. So here overall reaction will get a half H2 gas whose pressure is 1 bar plus Ag plus aqueous gives rise to H plus aqueous concentration is 1 molar plus Ag solid. If you write the Q for this reaction, Q is equal to what will get? Q is equal to product concentration by reactant concentration. But a solid no need to consider because its concentration is 1 molar and H2 pressure is 1 bar, H plus is also 1 molar. So what is remaining? Only Ag plus aqueous. So product is 1. So 1 by concentration of Ag plus. Then E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N log Q. E cell value is given 0.503. E0 cell is 0.8 minus 0.059 by 1 log 1 by Ag plus. From this, if you calculate Ag plus value, will get a concentration of Ag plus will get 9.55 into 10 power minus 6 molar. That is Ag plus concentration. This is for 1000 ml. 1000 ml solution contains 9.55 into 10 power minus 6 moles. Then 350 ml solution contains how many moles? X is equal to 9.55 into 10 power minus 6 into 350 by 1000. We'll get the value here 3.34 into 10 power minus 6 moles. Number of moles is equal to, we have the formula, number of moles is equal to weight by gram atomic weight. So if you multiply this number of moles with gram atomic weight, that is 3.34 into 10 power minus 6 into 108 atomic weight of the silver, will get 0.00036 grams of silver. Now percentage of lead. 1.05 is weight, total weight of the alloy. In that 0.00036 is silver. So remaining is lead. By initial 1.05 into 100, we'll get the value 99.96%. That is the weight of the percentage weight of the lead. Percentage calculate the percentage of the lead in the alloy, that is 99.96%.